Hello, friends. Welcome to the show HR by Nature, where we talk to people and take their opinion mostly on the HR angle. Today, our guest is Ms. Deepti Parmar, who's handling the entire visual merchandising team at Blackberries. Hello, Deepti. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Mayank. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss. So, Deepti, it's been around 40 days of the lockdown. In fact, in our terms, it's been more than 40 days because we had started on 18th or 19th of March.
Yes.
So everything is shut. You're not allowed to go out. No, not nothing is happening outside. How are you dealing with it? Personal level.
I think yeah, it has of course come unexpectedly, and of course there was no one in this world who was prepared for this. Whatever money or mentally strong he was. But I'm happy. At my personal level, I can say that if I talk about the personal life at home, it is little surprising, but my relationship with my husband has grown stronger.
That's very
We
nice.
have become very compassionate for each other. That goes with the kind of work which we have to do. We have to do all kinds of work, and we also see each other, standing tall with all the thick and thins which are happening. And this is the thinnest part of life which we are into. So things might be very hectic at everyone's household, the way we are working. But I think it's every day is very mysterious, and we take it with a lot of variety to learn. So I learn a lot of cooking, cleaning. My husband learns a lot of dishwashing. So it's a different, we are enjoying our time, and I feel like my first year of marriage. It's surprising, but yeah, it is like that.
So that's really nice. Both of you are more compassionate for each other. That's what
Yes,
we want in all the
it's a
relationships,
big
rather.
word. Compassion is a big word.
Of course, it is. So, in fact, that is a kind of blessing in disguise,
Yes.
right? So coming to the professional side of this lockdown, Deepti, how do you engage your team members in this lockdown? Because
So
everybody, they all have their energies. They has to be,
yes.
the energies have to evaporate. You have to channelize those energies. How do you do that?
So I have stayed very well connected with all my team members. So what I saw in the beginning, the first phase of it, that I saw some different strengths and different potentials of the team members. So we interacted that what all other, other than the role which they play, what is the other thing which they know? Like there were AVMs who were very good in designing, but we never
Mhm.
asked them to design a window, and
Okay,
they have designed like 5 windows in a day. We've almost made the window campaigns for the next season also. So
right.
yeah, and they were not working on Corel Draw, they were not working on Photoshop. They used to know it, but no one asked them. They also didn't have the time because they used to reach back home late night. So we never used to ask them कि windows design करो HO के लिए. Now we are like, we have to do, make them do things which they have not done, and they are doing with a different vigor and energy. Matlab, I never knew that a person can design 5 windows. So that's the, दबा हुआ किसी में था. So that is something which we are, I have figured out, and with a great speed they have helped us in look making, in planogram, elevations, lot of things. So a lot of pan India projects I have given to my team. So now they feel like ईस्ट में से बैठे हुए बंदे को पता है वेस्ट में क्या हो रहा है. So
Right.
उसको HO connection आता है, which is very good thing. So they feel in a way very elevated in their own level. So an AVM sitting in Chennai is designing looks, upcoming looks of the current season and the future season. So she or he will feel very connected with the HO and with the overall product team. So we feel more like a family, with a lot of connections happening, a lot of new projects being given to almost everyone. So पुराना काम कोई नहीं कर रहा है. New work has been given to everyone.
That's very good. What I understand from your words is that you are also exploring the Johari window of each and every person,
Yes.
wherein we are talking about the blind spots also, and we are talking
Yes.
about you know and I don't know,
Yes.
or I know you don't know type
I know
of
you
things.
do. And there were also things wherein I thought that you should do it, but he thinks that he cannot. I was like, but this is the time. Even if you want, you can go to YouTube and just learn it and do it. So I've asked all my teams to learn VLOOKUP. Everyone should know VLOOKUP.
Right. So that is where the blind
Yeah.
spot comes in.
So they were like, we are facing a lot of difficulties. कैसे सीखे? So मैंने बोला कि अगर एक महीने का लॉकडाउन है, what is difficult? Like VLOOKUP में तो you can start teaching VLOOKUP after some time. You can
Of
start
course.
teaching Corel Draw. 1 month is a long time.
Of course. Of course. So that's very good that you're asking your people to learn new skills. That's an addition to that. Very good. So my next question, that brings me to the next question, and that is, since working from home is not going to end soon, as we all can see, what are your plans to handle this in the case of extension of this scenario?
So in case of the extension of the work from home scenario, see, we have already, as I told you, we have found newer ways of engaging the VM team. So we are making looks for online marketing now.
Okay.
So our looks will be like the hashtag looks. So my AVM, so we are making a panel of 8 AVMs and all. They are making looks. These looks will be sent on the internet, on Facebook or the various channels, and then the same will be delivered to the customers' houses. So we are still doing the VM sitting at home. So this is one project which we have taken, and similarly we have started working on the next calendar. And good part is not just the HO people, but now the entire India, all the RVM and all the AVMs are a part of the next season calendar. To
Right.
choosing of the product ensembles, looks, making the windows. So we are prepared till December now.
That's very good.
Yeah.
That's very nice to know. So Deepti, that brings to me that's the last question I have for you. And that is, what are your expectations from the HR team as of now?
So HR, of course, HR has been sticking to us already by all means possible, and we are really happy to be a part of the BB family. Everyone, each of my team says that we are free to approach, for any difficulty on phone and mail. So we don't feel as if we are sitting at home and whom to approach. It's the same free, feel which we have if we were in the office. So there is literally, in terms of, there is no difference for us. And we all are together for each other, and we feel that, and for sure anything comes across, I'm sure we will be able to touch base you with all our questions, and also I feel great to be talking my heart out on my personal and professional, current and future life with you, Mayank. So it's a really positive feeling to be a part of this interview, to talk to you properly, professionally on this. So it's a great opportunity, and I feel happy about it.
Likewise, Deepti, even I'm very happy about it. Thank you so much, Deepti, for being on the show.
Thank you, Mayank.
Thank you so much, friends, for watching us. I'll be back with you soon with another personality. Till then, namaste.
Namaste.